Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting review. Today, we're taking a closer look at the MSI Original Stealth Trooper backpack designed specifically for 17.3-inch laptops. As a proud owner of this sleek and durable backpack, I can't wait to share my thoughts on its design, functionality, and overall performance. So, let's dive right in. Design and build quality, first impressions matter. And the MSI Original Stealth Trooper backpack delivers in style. The black color scheme exudes a professional yet edgy vibe, making it suitable for both work and casual use. The bag is constructed with high-quality materials, and the stitching is impeccable, ensuring long-lasting durability. The reinforced padding on the back and shoulder straps provides excellent comfort, even during extended wear. Do you interested to know storage capacity? One of the standout features of this backpack is its spacious storage capacity. The main compartment is specifically designed to accommodate 17.3-inch laptops, providing a secure and well-padded compartment to keep your valuable device safe from bumps and scratches. Additionally, there are several extra pockets and compartments to organize your accessories, cables, and other essentials efficiently. The side pockets are particularly handy for carrying water bottles or an umbrella. Durability and protection. When it comes to protecting your valuable laptop, the Stealth Trooper backpack excels. The dedicated laptop compartment features high-density foam padding and a secure strap to hold your device in place, ensuring maximum protection against accidental drops or impacts. The water-resistant material used in the construction of the backpack provides an extra layer of defense against light rain or spills, keeping your electronics safe and dry. Overall, the MSI Original Stealth Trooper backpack is an exceptional choice for anyone in need of a reliable and stylish backpack for their 17.3-inch laptop. With its sleek design, spacious storage capacity, and thoughtful organization features, it offers convenience and functionality for both personal and professional use. The durable construction and excellent protection features make it a worthy investment to keep your valuable tech gear safe. I highly recommend the MSI Original Stealth Trooper backpack to anyone looking for a top-notch laptop bag. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching this review, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more tech-related content. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, take care, and happy backpacking!